Hey guys, welcome technical video here. So today there will be no tips or tricks, but this will be an informative video. Okay, then the information will be regarding various types of data captured by iOS devices and stored, and about which we are unaware. There are various types of data. Okay, in this video I will be covering some major data captured by iOS device. First, I will start with your app history. Okay, go to your app store, go to your profile and tap on purchased, my purchases. Okay, and here you will see a list of apps. Okay, there will be a many applications showing you. So basically this list is your complete app history, means on this Apple ID till now, till the beginning, till now, what type of application you have installed and which application you have used and deleted, it will show you everything. Now second thing will be regarding your location history. Go to your settings, open privacy, go to location services, scroll down, system services, again scroll down, significant location. Okay, this significant location will be your history of your location visits. So wherever you are traveling, wherever you are going, no, so this iPhone will be recording the data and is storing here. So it's always better to turn this off for a privacy purpose. So basically iPhone is capturing your location visits history and storing it here, and this will be used by Apple for their future advertisement or any other purposes. Third, I will talk about your website data. Right, for that go to settings, scroll down, open Safari option, scroll down till the end, and you will find advanced option. Open that, and here open website data. This website data is about all the websites which you have visited and browsed in your Safari browser. So whichever website you are visiting or browsing in a browser, it is stored here. So here you will find complete list of all the websites we have visited. Okay, also you can clear them to clear the storage consumed by them. Last one is bit serious. It's about your password stored in your device. So you know, in iPhone there is an option called autofill passwords, which automatically stores your passwords which you are using for your website or applications. Right, for that go to your settings, open passwords and accounts, and here you will find first option called websites and app passwords. Right, if you open this option, you will find all those passwords stored which you are used for logging in your app or websites. So if your autofill is on, so it will automatically store all those passwords of the application and website, and you can browse from here. So this is stored because whenever next time you are logging in same application, you don't have to enter password manually. You can easily capture password from the stored data, and it will autofill the password section for you. So there is no tension of your remembering any password for you. It will automatically enter the password from stored data. Sometimes it's harmful because a person who knows your password to unlock your phone, he can easily access this password list, okay, from the phone. So be careful about this. And if you like the video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.